Kia ora. Welcome to Waitakere College's school-wide writing improvement initiative. Now, as we all know, literacy is in the college's strategic plan. And of all the strands that we teach, the Ministry of Education has identified that across the motto, it is writing that has suffered the most with the impact of COVID. So some critical questions about our initiative. What is the overall goal? What we are trying to do is improve student literacy and teacher confidence in the teaching of writing. Why are we doing this? On entry to Waitakere College in 2021, 46% of our Year 9 students were at Stay 9s 1 to 3. Now that was in 2021. We haven't yet got the data for 2022, but given the impact of the lockdowns last year, it's not going to be particularly good. So that's one reason. The second reason is the new Level 1 NCEA literacy requirements that are coming in. We fear that given where our students are beginning at, those new literacy requirements may be out of reach for them unless we as a school, we need the whole school ownership of the issue of literacy and whole school ownership of the solution. And fortunately, we have a solution that is proven to work. So how will we do this? As a school-wide, we're going to embed the use of the sentence and paragraph styles that are supported by Writer's Toolbox across the curriculum at years 9 and 10. Our rough timeline is something like this. This year we are learning. We're getting on board the early adopters of the Writer's Toolbox initiative and forming a common language. By next year, we want to be integrating, where the tools from Writer's Toolbox are used in unit plans and assessments. There is increased competency and we see a lift in results. From 2024, that's when we're moving towards self-sustainability, where we've got deepening knowledge. Part of the culture of the school is a culture of successful writing, and as we move further, the spread is such that it becomes what we do, and that culture of writing is embedded in the school. Now here's our leadership outline. Mark obviously has overall vision, and myself on the lead point on this. But the crux of the focus is the leadership group, and you can see who's in that there. These are people with special expertise and interest in literacy and are the early adopters of using Writer's Toolbox. We're in the process of identifying what Writer's Toolbox called champions, those who are also early adopters of the toolbox. They're advocates, they're interested in writing, they're passionate about getting involved. And we're identifying those people to get them skilled up on Writer's Toolbox. Incidentally, if you haven't been tapped on the shoulder about this and you are really keen, please let either myself know or anyone in the leadership group, and we'll certainly bring you on board. So this is the plan, this is the focus. Our strategic plan is to improve writing across the board, improve literacy for all our students, and most importantly, improve confidence in teachers so they can teach writing with expertise. Now, our vision, as we've said, is to improve the student literacy and teacher confidence in the teaching of writing. And the way we're going to do it is thus. The skills, we're going to upskill the teachers. The incentives, this works, and it's proven to work. This is an evidence-driven project, and it has worked extremely well in other forums. The resources, we have the necessary tools. The school has paid quite a considerable amount of money to have Writer's Toolbox as our tool. And we are putting together an action plan. We are developing our expertise. We're monitoring how the writing expertise goes throughout the school, and we'll be evaluating that. So that's our vision, and that's what we plan to do with Writer's Toolbox from here on in. Ka kite.